What's up, folks? We're out here on this job today. Me and my number one bro Taco. Got the Mini loaded on the new trailer. We're gonna repair this driveway that's in pretty bad shape. It's been washed out over the years. We're gonna get unloaded and get to her. That'll be fun on that angle, I think. But we'll see. All right, let's get these ramps out. Let's see if she'll fire up here. Yes, sir. Let me get it down first, make sure it ain't gonna slide off. Forgot my stabilizers. I dang sure don't want to be putting this thing down without them. You didn't. I almost forgot. Step back a little bit, okay, Cookie? You wanna ride up here with me? All right. Other side there, Cookie. Do what, Cookie?
I don't know how you survive by taking the excavator out of the trailer.
It was a little scary, wasn't it? All right, we're gonna run down here, get ready to do some digging. All right, we got this driveway job done. I didn't get to record any of it because my buddy wanted to ride on the excavator. So I didn't have the right mount to film it. But what we did was we put in these little ditches right here to catch this water and take it off as it comes down this hill. This is where the majority of it washed out through here. We got another one up here. There was just no rock here to work with either. Normally to smooth things over and make them look good, I just didn't have that luxury today. But this will catch what's coming off the drive right there and hopefully knock it off in that field. Then we've got another short steep spot right there to that other little swale. And let's see, there was a big old mud hole up here, probably a foot deep. I got some big old rock, 3 big old flat rocks, and stuck in there. I didn't have no gravel, so I put dirt in there and graded it where it'll drain. But it's way on around that corner up there. I don't feel like walking it. There's my buddy. Are you hungry yet?
I'm pretty hungry.
Alright, I got your ham and cheese burrito. How'd that taste?
I didn't actually see it. Anyway.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully that'll carry the water down pretty good there. Wish we had some gravel to work with, but that'll be another day. Hopefully this will keep them from washing too bad. But we're gonna get out of here, go get some lunch, say bye.
Bye. Make sure to hit the bell.
What's that?
Make sure to hit the bell and